Good evening, friends. One of the best places I love to visit is this. So, yeah, I just felt that you all can see this and you'll feel very happy. That's why I'm just uploading this video now. So, yeah, please do have greenery in your life and greenery in your garden as well. Try keeping at least a small garden and maintaining it very nicely. So yes, see, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. I just felt that if I show this and seeing this, your day will become very beautiful. I mean, I know it's evening, but still an amazing good night's sleep you'll have. See these people, so nice. These are quite different, which I've seen in few houses. Yes. So now I would love to show you all one cute thing which I saw. Is this Doraemon? See, and it's like bamboo, and this one in a yellow pattern. I just liked it so much. See. Yeah, green and yellow, what a combo. Ferns. This pinky is so pretty. And obviously these are snake plants. And yes, these are Erica palm. I love the greenery over here. Seriously, it's so much beautiful. Definitely, you all should visit these beautiful green places. They are really so refreshing. And it's such a beautiful stand. I wish I have my own house very soon and I can buy such things and put very nice things. I mean, nice plants. And this one though, it's like a different love. So soft. I don't like to pluck them. Instead, I love to admire them like this. Yes. Yeah. See you all in my next video. Thank you. I hope you loved this garden tour with me. Sorry, nursery tour with me. Yes. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and stay connected. See you in my next video.